Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Playa Mujeres Golf and Spa Resort. This particular category that we're in is a junior suite, and it's a swim-up variety. So this is a preferred club room. You get all kinds of amenities. I'll talk about it as we walk through the room and head out, but let me show you what this particular room is all about. As soon as you come in the door, to your left, you're gonna see the Dreams box. This is where they're gonna drop off your room service. So in the morning, if you wanna have coffee delivered or maybe you order room service in the evening, they're gonna put it in there. I love it, the extra touch. You don't have to have the handoff or worry about getting dressed, running to the door, opening it up. They're just gonna deliver it there for you. You've got your first set of storage up and down here. You've got the different shelves. You're also going to have the steamer. I love that they include that for you to utilize throughout your stay. Now over here, you're gonna have more storage. You have the hanging storage here, your robes, your slippers. Of course, they do complimentary turn down service every single night, so they're gonna put those by your bed for you, and you're gonna have your safe in here as well. Now into the bathroom. You have a good sized bathroom with a very large double vanity. I know my wife and I always appreciate that when we're traveling. You've got the backlit magnifying mirror. You're also gonna have a hairdryer in every single room. You've got plugs on either side. You've got this great amenity kit. Now this is the first place where you're gonna see an upgrade. So there's quite a few more items in here because this happens to be a preferred club room. You've got your towels and the scale underneath. And then over here, you're gonna have your floor to ceiling mirror. Toilet just to my left, and then the shower is right here. You've got a large rainforest shower head. You've got your shower wand, and then a nice little bench in the corner. So now we're headed into the main living space. You've got storage over there for bags. I love that. You've got drawers right here, and you have a large flat panel smart TV that's right across from your bed. Now this particular room is a king category. You've got a charger to the side of the bed, USB. You also have two US chargers down on the wall. And I do like the touch that they have the temperature control right next to the bed. Maybe you want to turn it down a few degrees in the evening. As I continue on to the other side of the bed, just wanted to point out on both sides, they have these nice little mats. Perfect so that when you step in and out of bed, you're actually not stepping onto the floor. You have that extra little touch. Your remote is here, your phone, and you're also gonna have a USB charger. There's more US plugs back behind there as well. And then this is where you're gonna find your do not disturb makeup room sign. Just wanted to point that out because a lot of times it's by the door, but I like that it's here because right before you go to bed at night, just hit that button and you're not gonna be disturbed in the evening. Now continuing on, because this is a preferred club room, you're also gonna have a few snacks, some upgraded alcohol options, and then everybody's gonna get the Nespresso maker. You got Nespresso pods here, they'll replenish them throughout your stay as you go, and then you're also gonna have a fully stocked and upgraded mini bar, and they can replenish that as much as you like throughout your stay. Now continuing along, you have a small desk here. You've got a plug and a USB charger, your phone, but the thing I wanted to point out was this great tablet. So this is what you can utilize to basically access all of the information on tours, spa, dining, like if you want to check one of the restaurant menus, but you can also use this to order room service. It's a really nice touch. You order it right on the tablet and then they're going to deliver it to you. You don't have that handoff or information or, oftentimes on the phone if it doesn't work out perfectly. I love that you can order it right here. They're going to deliver it and you even let them know right there when you're ready and they're going to come pick that up for you. A nice little luxury touch. Continuing on, you have a large sofa here. You've got a chaise lounge, and you're also going to have a pull-out sofa bed. One of the things I really appreciate here specifically is that the couch beds have been very comfortable. I appreciate that because that's not always the case, especially at beach resorts. All right, so now I'm headed out to the private balcony. I wanted to point out, because this is an ocean view room, if you shut the screen there, you can have that beautiful ocean breeze coming in, especially in the morning. Out here on your balcony, you have two large chairs, really comfy loungers here. You also have two chairs and a table, perfect place for a coffee or a cocktail. But what this is all about is the swim up option. Now here at Dreams Playa Mujeres, it's a little bit unique compared to other places. You're actually up on the second floor right now. So you see that they're all connected here down. But what I love so much about this is it's a great place to sit, look out, read a book, grab a cocktail, have this beautiful view. But if you're traveling with your family, as you probably are here at Dreams Playa Mujeres, you also can have a great place for the kids, maybe to hop in the morning or the evening. You don't want to pack up the stuff, head back down to the pool. They can just refresh. But if you love a swim out category, this is a perfect option. So I mentioned some of the preferred club amenities that are inside, but at this particular resort, the ones that are outside the room are what you really upgrade for. So down on the beach, you've got your own private preferred club beach bar. You also have bally beds and palapas down there that you can utilize throughout your stay at no additional cost. Once again, only if you're in the preferred club. You also have the preferred club check-in. So they're gonna take you down there, you're gonna check in, you'll utilize that space throughout the entire trip here. You've got a great bar in there. In fact, I think it's the best bar at the entire resort. You also have some food options, and you can utilize the concierges throughout your stay. You're also, as a family option, you're gonna have access to the lazy river, just for preferred club guests. And then throughout the entire resort and wrapped around all the pools are the extra bally beds, and you can utilize those as well. There's a ton of reasons to upgrade preferred, but if you're that person that likes that VIP access and the extra amenities, it may be a perfect upgrade option. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at Secrets or Dreams in Mexico or the Caribbean, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive specialist. We know the spaces inside and out, and we know that collaboratively we can help create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your family at an incredible value.